Hey beauties, my name is Jazz and welcome to my YouTube channel Amaza Beauty. In this video I will be showing you how I fixed the balding closure on this wig and also how I did a quick glueless install. So welcome to my forehead, and in this close-up view you can see how the closure is balding right in the front. I overplucked it a little bit, and then from there it just shed more and more until we got what you see right here. Being that I'm bald headed right now, the wig had a little bit of room for me to pull it forward, and I'm just using the ball cap that I have underneath as a guide to where I want to cut off the lace in the front. Now that I feel that the placement on the wig is good, I'm going to use this rat tail comb to move out any hairs in front of where I want to cut the lace off. Now I'm using an eyebrow razor to very slowly and very carefully cut off the excess lace that I sectioned off. It may not look like it in the video, but I am being extremely careful with this razor. Trust me, I'm really clumsy. If I wasn't being careful, you guys would definitely see bloodshed in this video. I would say to use the eyebrow razor or any razor to cut your lace at your own risk. You could also use zigzag scissors to get that same look. If you are going to use a razor, I would recommend that you go very, very slow. Keep in mind that this video is sped up, so it looks like I'm going faster than I am. And also, while you're using the razor, make sure to cut your lace with the blade pointed up and away from your skin. And I can see that I immediately contradicted myself in this next clip, and I have no excuse for that. Just make sure you're being safe if you use a razor. Now welcome to my eyeballs, and I'm just using some of this boho liquid gold across where the closure is going to be. I'm going to clean it up with my finger, push up my glasses, and pull my wig forward. So here I'm just working on the placement. I want to set the lace right in front of where my ball cap is. So I'm just working on getting that where I want it. And I'm going to make sure all of the stray hairs are out of the way. And then I'm going to go ahead and push it down into place. So I lost this clip, but after I got the wig into place, I blow dried it on cool, and I kind of just pressed it down with the back of my comb and the rat tail of my comb. And now I'm going to section off where some of the sections didn't stick or some of the lace didn't stick. Those are the areas that I don't need or want. They're sitting in front of my hairline, so I'm going to get rid of them. This is where my hairline kind of dips back where my widow's peak is, so I'm just separating that, and here I am using the razor again to get rid of that extra lace. Be sure to try to keep the hair out of the way because you don't want to accidentally cut any short pieces of hair in the front. So here I am again, living on the edge, using this razor face down on my skin again, but I am being very, very careful. And when I get to the point where the piece of lace is just too short for me to use the razor, I will grab my scissors and finish up any cutting that I have to do. Now that I've gotten rid of all the extra lace that I wanted to remove, I'm just going to take my Got To Be Free spray and spray a light layer across the front of the lace right at the hairline. Looking back on this video, I see where I could have taken a little bit more lace off around the temple area, but what's done is done. So I'm just going to use my comb to comb back any stray hairs, and then I'm going to take this elastic band and put it across my hairline. I blow dried this on warm off camera, and now that I've taken the elastic band off, I'm just going to use a little bit of cream concealer to try to blend the lace with my skin. Now I'm blow drying again, and I'm just using my finger to press the concealer into the lace. And here is how it looks before the baby hairs. Alright guys, so take it easy on me on the baby hairs. I'm really just kind of learning how to do them. I'm not a huge fan of them, but I'm learning to like them, so I'm trying to figure it out. So I've cut them here with the eyebrow razor to the length that I think I want. I'm just going to put some foam on them and start swooping them around and trying to get them into the shape I want. And then if needed, as you'll see, I'll do some more cutting to get them to the right length. Once I get them looking how I want them to look, I just blow dry on warm to keep them in place. I struggled with that other side, so I did it off camera, but now I'm done. I'm just gonna put my satin wrap on and do a little bit of blow drying. And here is the finished look, beauties. Be sure to let me know what you think down in the comments. And as always, thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.